Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You sign in and open any list. Make sure your account sync is active so lists move between devices. Begin by tapping the plus button to create a new list and name it for the occasion. Next, add several items immediately using keyboard entry or voice dictation. This saves time. Once added, categorize a few items into sections like produce or dairy so you know where to shop. You're beginning the task with structure and sync right away. You now organize the list for faster shopping. Create sections such as produce, pantry, and frozen, and drag items into their proper spots. Use templates or saved lists for routine trips so you don't start from scratch. If you have a partner, share the list and give edit permissions. That way everyone updates quantities and checks off items. Also use the search, sort, and quantity controls to adjust items precisely, which reduces mistakes and speeds up checkout. You complete shopping by checking off items as you pick them. Use the filter to show only unchecked items and keep focus. Once done, confirm the list syncs to the cloud so everyone sees updates. If a change fails, force a manual sync from settings or refresh the app to resolve conflicts. If an item is accidentally deleted, open the recently deleted or trash and restore it quickly. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.